Dear students, welcome in our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss on the topic fundamentals of management, and this is one of the most important topics included in this fundamental of management are principle and function of the management, planning, organizing, directing, controlling, coordinating, etc. These topics are included, characteristics of the management, as well as all the important topics are included in this video. At the end of the video, write your opinion in the comment box. Is it useful for you or not? Let's start the multiple choice questions. The first question is, who is known as the father of modern theory of management? Who is known as the father of modern theory of management? And the options here, we have Henry Fayol, F.W. Taylor, Max Weber, Peter Drucker. Among these four options, the right option is Peter Drucker. Question number 2. Who is known as the father of scientific management? And the options are Henry Fayol, F.W. Taylor, Peter Drucker, Max Weber. The right answer is F.W. Taylor. F.W. Taylor is known as the father of scientific management. Keep this in mind. The questions are very important. Question number 3. Who is known as the father of management? Question number 2 was about scientific management, and number 3 is about the father of management. Simply the father of management. The options given: Henry Fayol, F.W. Taylor, Max Weber, Peter Drucker. The right answer, Peter Drucker. Question number 4. Which of the following is not the function of management? Planning, staffing, cooperation, controlling. Among the four options, the right option is cooperation. Cooperation is not the function of management. Let's go to the question number 5. Dear students, if you feel the video is important and helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and I request you to share this video to your circumstances. Sharing knowledge is good for all. Question number 5. Policy formulation is the function of top level management, middle level management, lower level management, all of the above. And the correct answer is top level management. Policy formulation is the function of top level management. Henry Fayol was a social scientist, mining engineer, accountant, production engineer. So actually Henry Fayol was a mining engineer. Question number 7. How are the principles of management formed? In laboratory, by experience of management, by experience of customers, by propagation of social statistics. How are the principles of management formed? I guess you know these all the answers. The correct answer is by experience of management. Question number 8. Find the odd one out. Board of directors, foreman, chief executive, shareholders. So which one is odd here? And the right answer is foreman is odd among these four. Question number 9. The principles are significant because increase in efficiency, initiative, optimum utilization of resources, adoption of changing technology. The principles are significant because adoption of changing technology. Question number 10. Management is that. So what is management actually? Art, science, both of these, none of these. Management is art and science both. Question number 11. Management should be one best way to perform a task. Which technique of scientific management is defined in this sentence? time study, motion study, fatigue study, method study. The right answer is method study. Question number 12. Which of the following best describe the principle of division of work? Work should be divided into small tasks. Labor should be divided. Resource should be divided among jobs. It leads to specialization. Which of the following best describe the principle of division of work? And the correct answer is work should be divided into small tasks. Dear students, please note down how many questions you can answer correctly and write at the end of the video in the comment section. And from where you are watching this video, please I request you to write down in the comment section. Question number 13. Which of the following best describe mental revolution? The options are: it implies changes of attitude. Second option: the management workers should not play game of one-upmanship. Both management and workers require each other. Workers should be paid more wages. Which of the following best describe mental revolution? So the topic is mental revolution. Keep this in mind. And the answer is: it implies change of attitude. Mental revolution means change in the attitude. Question number 14. Observe the following management principles and pick out the odd one. Unity of command, unity of direction, maximum output, equity. The right answer is maximum output. This one is odd among 4. Question number 15. Who developed ERG theory? That is existence, relatedness and growth. The full form of ERG is existence, relatedness and growth. The options are Maslow, Max Weber, Horsbach, Carleton, Elderfair. The correct answer is Carleton, Elderfair. Next question. Which of the following is not among the level of management? Top level management, middle level management, lower level management, intermediate level management. Which of the following is not among the level of management? And it is intermediate level management. There are actually 3 types of management: lower level management, middle level management and top level or upper level management. But there is no any intermediate level management. Question number 17. Which scholar's definition of management is: management is the art of getting things done through and with people in formally organized groups. Options are Harold Knowles, J. N. Schulz, S. George, Henry Foyle. The best option is Harold Knowles. Dash is the decision-making body of an organization. So what is the decision-making body of an organization? Administration, decentralization, functional organization, leadership. And the correct answer here is administration. Question number 19. Which one of the following is not the functional area of management? Which one of the following is not the functional area of management? Options are here: production management, marketing management, personal management, information management. The correct answer is information management. Question number 20. Who developed two-factor theory of motivation? Two-factor theory of motivation. Maslow, Max Weber, Horsbach, Carleton, Elderfair. The right answer is Max Weber. Who pronounced need-based theory and or hierarchy theory of need? Maslow, Max Weber, Horsbach, Carleton, Elderfair. And the right answer is here Maslow. Next question. Who introduced bureaucratic theory? Maslow, Max Weber, Horsburgh, Carleton Elderfair. The right answer is Max Weber. Question number 23. Management is the art of getting things done by. Management, group of people, leader, worker. The right answer is group of people. Management is the art of getting things done by a group of people. Bloom's expectancy model is based on the belief that motivation is determined by the nature of reward people expect to get as a result of their job performance. Second option. The belief that motivation is determined by the nature of the punishment people expect to get as a result of their job performance. Third option is the belief that motivation is determined by the nature of the reward and the punishment people expect to get as a result of their job performance, or all of these. Bloom's expectancy model is based on the first option, that is the belief that motivation is determined by the nature of the reward people expect to get as a result of their job performance. Question number 25. Which of the following is not a function of management? Planning, profit earning, staffing, budgeting. Which of the following is not a function of management? Planning, profit earning, staffing, budgeting. And the correct answer is profit earning. Question number 26. Which of the following is not a management principle? Order, discipline, equity, cooperation. And the right answer is cooperation. Henry Fayol's general theory of administration is applicable at top level management, middle level management, lower level management, or all of the above. The right answer is top level management. Management is in need of top level, middle level, lower level, all level. So management is the need of all levels. Theory of X and the theory of Y are the theory of human motivation that were developed by Maslow, Max Weber, Horsburgh, Douglas MacGregor. The right answer is the Douglas MacGregor. Top management consists of financial manager, personnel manager, board of directors and the chief executives, sales manager. What is the right answer? The right answer is board of directors and chief executive. Middle management that is consists of departmental managers, motivate lower management, both of above, none. Middle management consists of departmental managers as well as motivate lower management, that is both of these. Question number 32. Top management is concerned with carrying suggestions upward, maintaining liaison with the outside world, transmitting order downwards, none of these. The right answer is transmitting orders downwards. Question number 33. Management is called a process because it is applicable to manufacturing process, it is relevant for social organization, it involves a series of action, all of the above. The right answer is it involves a series of action. Which among the following is not a subsidiary function of management? Decision making, innovation, communication, motivation. These four are the options. And the right option is motivation. Administration is policy making, active direction to get things done, executing the policy, none of the above. Administration is policy making. Administration is an activity at lower level, middle level, higher level, all of these. Administration is an activity at higher level. The term hierarchy implies departmentalization, a definite ranking order, specialization, none of these. The right answer is a definite ranking order. Question number 38. Coordination means organizing activities, directing activities, both of above, synchronizing activities. Coordination means synchronizing activities. Question number 39. Dear friends, if you feel the video is helpful, then please do like our video and don't forget to share it. I request you all to subscribe our YouTube channel and share our video to share the knowledge. And from where you are watching our video, please write in the comment section. Question number 39. Which of the following is not true? Management is a social process. Management is universal. Management is an art. Management is always bureaucratic. The truth statement is management is a social process. Question number 40. Dash is defined as the function of getting things done through people. Options are management, science, art, none. And the right option is management. So management is defined as a function of getting things done through people. So in this series, we have made more than 100 MCQs, and in the first part we have enrolled 40 questions. To watch more questions, subscribe our YouTube channel and keep in touch. We will publish the second part very soon. Thank you for watching our video and thank you for subscribing us.